Let me get Maria and Oscar. And Vicky, we're going to need your interpretation for this one.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Andrea Covarrubias, representing my husband because he is currently at work right now.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And finally, my microphone should be on. I apologize for that, Your Honor.
You're fine, Miss Vicky. We've got Miss Maria here. And can Mariana. No, I know Miss Maria. You're Miss Maria, correct? Okay, Miss Maria. All right. Can you ask Miss Maria, is she the owner of the house?
I am buying it from the lady.
Okay. From not the defendant, though, correct?
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
All right. So, Miss Maria, is there any relationship between you and Oscar and Andrea?
No.
Okay.
No. 750.
What is the total amount that you're seeking in back rent?
2,500.
Okay. And what months does that represent?
From March 4th to April 4th, and from April 4th to May 4th.
Okay. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Miss Andrea, first of all, do you agree that your base monthly rent is $750?
Yes, Your Honor, I do agree, but my case is a little different from the evictions that have been going on. The thing is that when we moved into this property was supposed to be in good standing. She showed it to us; it was great. But the thing is that a week later, the rain started. The ceiling was falling down. The floor was creaking. There was nails all over the floor. My son was breathing carbon monoxide for 3 weeks. I have
Okay, give me
Doctor's
1 minute,
letter.
Andrea. Give me 1 minute before you start all that. Go ahead,
Yes.
Miss Vicky. Okay.
Correcto, tengo
Wait,
pruebas de.
give me 1 minute, Miss Andrea. It's not that I don't care and that I don't want to listen to you. It's just it's irrelevant in this case. There is nothing I can do legally that will negate you from paying rent. Now, I'm not saying you don't have recourse, but it's just not in this hearing.
I'm
So,
sorry, Your Honor. I understand that. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but the thing is that the city of San Antonio is also involved. The code officers are involved. I have dangerous premise officer, Mr. Ryan Garza, who gave the order to demolish her property because it's inhabitable.
okay, so when can you move out then?
I haven't been living there. I've been out for about 4 weeks because they broke into my vehicle and they tried breaking into the house. And honestly, I feel that the lady is sending people because she goes to the house and
Okay, Miss Andrea, we're not doing that. How quickly
okay,
can
well,
you move out?
I'm just explaining what's going on because she wants the money. I paid the rent to her.
Interpreter cannot interpret all of that, Your Honor. I'm sorry. She's just going on a tangent, and interpreter's not taking notes of everything.
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
stop. You can go ahead and interpret. Thank you.
All right, give me 1 minute. Miss Maria, what's going on with the property?
Everything was fine. Everything was fine. And about 15 days later, 2 weeks later, I told her that if she was not content, that she could leave. And she said, okay. And she says, well, give me the money back. So I gave her the money, and she said she was going to leave, but she did not leave.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm sorry. May I speak?
Go ahead.
Yes, so she did not give me the money back in 15 days. The money was returned on April, and she has proof of that. It was in April, and she only gave you the money back because we needed money for the hotel because we were left with no gas, no water, no stove in the house. That's why we used the money she gave us back for hotels in case she is saying that because we did pay first month's rent and deposit.
Okay, Miss Andrea, how quickly can you move out?
Actually, not in San Antonio no more because of the dangerous situation that the house is. We couldn't be there. So I just need maybe less than 2 weeks to get all my furniture out as whatever I can save because everything is rotting in the house. And like I mentioned, there's a demolish order already from the city of San Antonio. So it's just a matter of time for me to get myself out. I just need less than 2 weeks.
Miss Maria, is that house being condemned?
Sorry?
Is that house rental property being condemned? So it's not being condemned.
No.
Andrea, is it being condemned or not?
Yes, as per Mr. Ryan Garza, who is a dangerous premises officer, who is in charge of the case, yes. And I also got the vacant notice and the relocation assistance from them, from the city of San Antonio, which is the order that they send us, which is a demolish order for her because she has not any They gave her
And where
time
is
to
that
return the money.
demolish order? When is that gonna take place?
Well, that should have already gotten sent to you by our code officers because I sent them the vacate notice and they said that they would reach out and send all the information to you guys.
We haven't gotten anything. All right, Miss Maria, are you giving her 2 weeks to move out?
Since I am fixing the house, I'm fixing the house and I have the permits from the city to fix the house. She has to get out because otherwise I cannot fix it. And this is a duplex. I live on one side and she was in the other one.
All right, so Miss Andrea, I can't give you 2 weeks if the landlord's not willing to give you 2 weeks. So
Okay, another thing, Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. With the money that we gave her, she remodeled her side of the unit. So the only thing I need to take out is my furniture. That's all I need. I'm not even living there because like I mentioned, it's not habitable. She has not made no arrangements, no cleaning. They've inspected the place 4 times after they gave her time. And the officers have gone multiple times. So I don't know what arrangements or fix she's made, but according to the officers, and it's not me, it's the officers who did that and have said, and they've gone and no repairs have been made whatsoever, which is why they decided to move forward to the board and get that demolish order.
okay, well, right now, I'm gonna do judgment for possession only, no money
Yeah.
judgment. You've got 5 days to move out or appeal it. Okay, so you got your judgment, 5 days to move out.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, Miss Vicky. You have a great weekend.
Thank
Let
you,
me
Your
get,
Honor. Sorry to interrupt. May I be dismissed now?
yes, ma'am. Have a
Thank
great
you so
weekend.
much. Likewise. Bye-bye.